Hey there, burger enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking griddling to the next level as I show you how to make the juiciest and most delicious smash burger on the Blackstone griddle. Step 1, we're going to preheat the griddle. I have the first 3 knobs set as shown. I want the area over those burners to be around 425. The knob on the right I have set to low. I want that to just sit at around 300 while I toast these buns. While those buns are toasting, we're going to make a not-so-secret sauce. And we're just going to kind of wing it with the measurements. I'm going to use about 2 parts mayo to 1 part ketchup, 1 part yellow mustard. Then we're going to add just a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, just a little bit of white wine vinegar, and last but not least, a spoonful of sweet relish. Give it a good mix, put some plastic wrap and put it to the side for now. And there you go, you just made my not-so-famous, not-so-secret sauce. Now we're going to take some Bib Lettuce and rip that little dirty stem thing off the bottom and give it a good rinse in the sink. After you rinse it, rip off 4 big leaves and put it on a paper towel to dry. Take 1 red house tomato and slice it up. Get a couple dill pickles on deck. Okay, now we're going to take about a pound of ground beef chuck, 20% fat, and form it into 6 loosely packed balls. If you haven't already, remove your buns from the griddle. I did right before I made the meat patties, and this is what they look like. Alright, my griddle top's sitting at around 431. That's close enough for me. Let's get started. Okay, before I drop these patties down, I'm going to spread a little grapeseed oil. Okay, let's drop this meat down. I'm using a burger press and parchment paper to smash these. And I'm going to hold them down for about 5 seconds each. On the first side, we're going to cook these just for under 3 minutes. And we're going to make sure we season this top side with salt and pepper. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes and 50 seconds. It's time to give these guys a flip. These look amazing. The only thing that's left to do now is put some cheese on and wait about another minute and 30 seconds. Okay, these are done. They look pretty good in my book. Let's bring them inside and build some tasty burgers. Step 1 of building the burger. Put a piece of Bib lettuce on the bottom bun. This one right here is going to be a double, so I'm adding 2 patties. Next, add some of my not-so-secret, not-so-famous sauce on the top bun and spread it around. Put 4 pickles on top of the cheeseburger and don't mess this up. Add a couple tomato slices. 1 is more than enough. Put the bun on top, and there you go. It's a smash burger. For everyone that made it this far, thanks for watching.